We've explored forecasting and analysis, but what if you need to present your findings to management, stakeholders, or clients? That's where a report generator comes in. With just a few clicks, you can create a professional presentation in seconds. So simply choose what you'd like to include: forecast, analysis, insights, etc. Then select the report length, tone, and language to match your audience. Once your preferences are set, AI analyzes your data and generates a report tailored to your requirements. When the report is ready, you will find it here, and you can review the summary, explore detailed analysis, and examine key findings. If you need to make any adjustment, you can click here and add some notes or create the custom sections to make the report even more relevant to your audience. If you want to turn the report into a presentation without spending hours formatting slides, just click AI presentation, and then Electe will automatically transform your report into an appealing presentation that's ready to review, share, and present. You can collaborate with your colleagues by mentioning them directly in the platform, or export your report in your preferred formats for sharing outside of Electe. That's Report Generator, helping you turn complex data into professional, clear presentations.